Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a full breakdown of the ING Mastercard, one of the most talked about cards in the market right now. Whether you're thinking about getting one or already have one, stick around as we cover all the key details you need to know. First up, let's look at the advantages of the ING Mastercard. This card comes with competitive interest rates and is widely accepted wherever Mastercard is available. Plus, it offers a smooth integration with ING's online banking services, making it super easy to manage your finances, track your spending, and even pay off your balance through their app. For frequent travelers, you'll be happy to know that there are no foreign transaction fees, which can save you quite a bit if you often shop or travel abroad. On top of that, the ING Mastercard also comes with a range of benefits like purchase protection, extended warranties on certain items, and fraud protection, which is essential for keeping your money safe in today's world. You can even earn cash back on some purchases, although this feature may vary depending on the specific card option you choose. Now, let's get into the disadvantages because, let's face it, no card is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is the annual fee. While ING offers a few different types of Mastercards, most of them come with some sort of annual fee. The amount depends on the card you choose, but it's something to consider, especially if you're not someone who uses your credit card regularly. Another potential downside is that the credit limit for new users can be somewhat conservative. If you're looking for a high credit limit, you might be better off considering another option. Now, regarding the cost, like we mentioned, there's an annual fee attached to most ING Mastercards, and you should also watch out for late payment fees if you're not on top of your payments. Thankfully, ING doesn't have hidden fees, and they offer transparency in all their charges, which is a big plus compared to other card providers. Lastly, let's briefly touch on services. ING Mastercard provides a solid range of services that make banking and shopping more convenient. You can easily connect the card to your ING bank account, and the online portal allows you to set up automatic payments, check your balance, and redeem any rewards you've earned. The mobile app also lets you monitor your spending in real time, giving you full control wherever you are. In summary, the ING Mastercard is a great option if you're looking for a reliable credit card with good security features, no foreign transaction fees, and some useful perks like cashback and purchase protection. But keep an eye on that annual fee and be sure it aligns with how much you plan to use the card. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this review helpful.